Do you want to know how to save your past streams from Mixer? Well, stick around, I'm going to show you how. Welcome back, Savages. It is Papa Crunk here, aka Crunk, and welcome back to another Mixer tutorial video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save your previous Mixer streams and why it's so important to do so. So before we begin, if this is your first time here and you would like to learn how to improve your stream or your personal brand, please remember to hit that subscribe button down below along with that notification bell, so that way every time I upload a new video, you will get notified. So one of the most important things that you can do for yourself as a streamer is being able to download your previous streams. And this is extremely important because not only does it give you the opportunity to save your stream, but it gives you the opportunity to go back and rewatch your own stream, so this way you can learn and grow and improve for your next stream. And then in addition to that, you now have an archive of content that you can refer back to, so that way you can create other video content and video clips that you can upload to your other social media sites. And my goal by the end of this video is to give you enough information and knowledge that will help you grow and improve your stream. So for this video, I am going to show you how to do this on a PC. Now the reason I recommend doing this on your personal computer is because your personal computer will have the space available for you to be able to save the hours and hours of footage and the amount of data that you're going to be saving. So now there are two ways that you can view and save your previous streams. But before we begin, make sure that you're signed into your Mixer channel. So now the next thing we're going to want to do is make sure that our settings are correct, so that way we can actually record our previous streams. So to do that, all you got to do is click on your profile picture at the top right, click on that, go to your broadcast dashboard, and then right here from your dashboard, there's a section here called Keep Recordings of My Streams. It is automatically going to be toggled off for you, so make sure that you toggle that on, scroll down, and click the save button. And now, moving forward, all of your previous streams will be recorded. So now I'm going to show you the easiest one first, and this one is directly from your Mixer homepage. So when you're on your homepage, just scroll down, and right next to your name down below, there's the info section, and then there's your past stream section. This will have a list of all of your previous videos. Now, just bear in mind, if you are not a partner, you will only have access for the last 14 days. If you are a partner, then you have an extended period of time. So now you pick the video that you want to look at. If you want to download it, just go ahead and click download, and then your computer will automatically create the MP4 file format for you. So now the second way I'm going to show you is the original way of accessing your past streams, and this is before Mixer gave us the opportunity to view our past streams directly from our front page. Now to access it, all you got to do is on the top right hand corner next to your profile picture, just click on that. Another menu will pop up, click on Broadcast Dashboard, and then over on the left hand side you will now see a list of options. There's a section called Past Streams, and then the next thing you will see is all of the videos from the past 14 days. So then all you got to do is select the video you want to download, click the download, and the MP4 file will be automatically installed into your computer. So now, if for any reason you're having trouble viewing your previous streams, or you're having difficulty downloading them, or if you're having any other problems with your Mixer site, all you got to do is contact Mixer support, and it's very easy to do so right here from this front page. All you got to do is click these three little dots right here up at the top center on the main page, click on that, and then go down to contact support, and there's a form here that you can fill out, and the topic would be technical support. Give them a brief description, let them know what's going on, hit send request, and then within 24 hours somebody from Mixer will reach out to you and assist you with any of the problems that you may have. And there you have it, guys. That is how you can view and download your previous streams, and now you have the ability to go back and watch a stream at any given time. You can make video content, you can make clips and put them out on any of your social media sites. So I hope you found this video to be very informational and educational, and if you did, please drop a comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Also, remember, if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell, so that way every time that I drop a new video, you can get notified. And please do give this video a like, that would be greatly appreciated. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and as always, my friends, play more games and get crunk tonight.